name is Mary Kay Ramirez, and I'm the Director of Community Relations here at St. Francis de Sales. I would like to welcome you today and bring you on a tour to show you what a special place St. Francis de Sales is. Again. Well, here we are in one of my favorite classrooms in this school. This is our science classroom, and it's taught by Miss Jane Healy. And if you were to ask any of her students what kind of teacher Miss Healy is, as well as the rest of our faculty and staff, they would tell you that they present very vibrant lessons and they connect with their students. Here at St. Francis de Sales, we do offer a very rigorous curriculum that includes honors, AP, and even dual enrollment courses through St. Xavier. We are a school that meets all of our students' needs, and we provide that through the individualized and personalized attention from all of our faculty and staff. At the entrance to the gym. The gym is a place where our students come together as a community, and part of that community is our family atmosphere. We get together in this space for pep rallies, athletic events, assemblies, all sorts of different ways for students to come together as a part of the St. Francis de Sales community. Also in this space is the opportunity to get involved. Students can be involved in sports, they can be involved in other activities, extracurricular activities here at St. Francis, and being a smaller population, they have more opportunities to rise to the top, to become leaders, or even to create their own clubs. So the gym is, for me, part of the fun part of being a high schooler. My 3 words of advice for a high schooler are work hard, get involved, and have fun while you're doing it.
Hi, I'm Ronnie Faison, the principal and CEO of St. Francis de Sales High School. As an alum, I am honored to be serving a community that has given me so much. I could boast about our small class sizes or our rigorous education, but it's the intangible things that make us special. It is the commitment to each of our students that makes us unique. When you're a pioneer at SFDS, it means that you're home.